The stance flexion resistance supports knee flexion when sitting down. Walking on level ground. Descending stairs. And walking downhill. The connectgo.pro app recommends a setting based on the user data, which needs to be further refined during the fitting. This value can also be adjusted within limits in the connectgo app for users. In order to sit in activity modes A, B, and B+, the user must load both legs evenly while leaning the upper body forward and moving the buttocks backward. The knee joint recognizes the sitting down pattern and unlocks in flexion direction, allowing the user to sit down in a controlled manner. Test different resistance levels while sitting down to ensure that the resistance is neither too low nor too high. The setting is optimal when both legs are loaded evenly and the sitting down movement feels consistent and controlled. When the user interrupts the sitting down movement, Kenevo can lock in the flexion direction. This enables the user to briefly load the prosthesis and safely change their grip from a walking aid to the armrests of a chair. To continue the sitting down movement, the user simply repeats the sitting down pattern, upon which the knee joint unlocks again. Make sure there is enough space between the user and the edge of the chair so that the knee joint can tilt backward. In Mode C, the sitting down pattern is not required because the knee joint does not lock in the flexion direction. The value can be further refined using an exercise step between the parallel bars or by walking downstairs. If the resistance feels too low or too high, adjust it until the desired flexion support is achieved. Finally, test the setting on slopes.